Hello, I'm back. My name is Bria Slaney. I am the founder of Essentially Fulfilled, and we are going through all of doTERRA's essential oils, A to Z. And today, you guys, we are stuck on a good one, okay? We are going to be talking about a newer oil, and that is Copaiba. A lot of people pronounce it Copaiba. I find it easier to say Copaiba, so I'm sticking with it. Okay, so I have to be careful with this one because Copaiba has the ability to really work with every single body system that you have. And because I have to be compliant, I'm going to be mindful of how I'm talking about certain ailments, okay? So here's the deal. Copaiba is extracted from mature trees between 30 and 50 years old, and it is considered to be one of the most anti-inflammatory substances on earth, okay? This oil packs a huge punch. In the future, you're going to be hearing me talk about frankincense, which is a very well-known oil. It is the king of all oils. I like to say, when in doubt, reach for your frank. Actually, when in doubt, frank it out, okay? We use frankincense for everything. However, since Copaiba was introduced to us and we have seen such amazing benefits from it, my recommendation is always, if you don't know what to use, if you are struggling with something, maybe you don't have this book to be able to look up what exactly you should be using for whatever ailment you're dealing with, you are always going to be safe using frankincense and Copaiba, okay? These two oils work so well together. They are so amazing at dealing with any type of inflammation, okay? And you guys, so many issues stem from inflammation of the body, okay? So if you have any type of pain or inflammation in any part of your body, Copaiba is going to be your rock. Really, it truly is. It literally chokes me up to read and hear about some of the stories, some of the impactful stories of people that have struggled with these issues for so long, and then Copaiba came into their life. It's truly amazing what it has done for people, okay? And for someone like myself or maybe my husband who don't really deal with any type of chronic issues, but maybe we just have that kind of day-to-day, we're getting, a little slower. Using Copaiba under the tongue has been totally life-changing. It really just helps to settle that inflammation, okay? So if you are somebody that deals with any type of respiratory issues, again, Copaiba is going to be extremely supportive to that. So when you make your roller bottle blend with your respiratory oils like Breathe and Arbor Vitae that we've talked about in the past, you can absolutely add Copaiba to that to kind of, boost what it's already doing for you. If you are somebody that struggles with any type of intestinal issues, there are a lot of ailments that stem from intestinal issues, right? So if you are somebody that has those intestinal issues, you are going to want to start taking Copaiba internally. You can also apply it to the lower abdomen, but again, personally, in my experience, and I would never recommend this for any other brand other than doTERRA because I trust their standards of testing. I trust the company. I know what I'm putting in my body. Never any other oils, but Copaiba internally, it's my favorite way to use it. Yes, you can apply it topically and it's still going to go to work for you, but there is just something about putting that oil in your body to help with all those aches and pains. there's something pretty powerful about it, you guys. Okay, if you are somebody that struggles with head tension on any, from a little bit of head tension all the way up to crazy, put you in a room with no lights on type of head tension, Copaiba, again, paired with frankincense, I really feel the two go so perfectly together, but Copaiba is going to be your best friend, okay? You can apply it to your temples, your forehead, behind the ears, the back of the neck. You can take it internally as well. You can either drop it under your tongue, you can put it in a veggie capsule, but it's going to be highly supportive for any head tension issues, okay? Remember yesterday when we were talking about clary sage and how supportive it is to your hormones? Copaiba is another one that that is supportive to your hormones as well. So that time of the month, whip out your Copaiba, use that, okay? If you are somebody that struggles with anxious feelings, maybe you struggle with sleep, Copaiba has this ability to just kind of turn off your brain. It just slows you down in a good way, and it really supports those feelings of anxiousness, as well as allows you to get a really good night's rest. So if you deal with any of those issues, you can put your Copaiba in a diffuser. You can also inhale, like I've showed you before, cupped hands, and just breathe in those benefits. You can apply to the bottoms of the feet or even just directly under the nose so that you're breathing that in. Any type of skin issue that you might be dealing with, maybe it's a burn or a bruise, any skin issue, Copaiba is going to be really restorative to the skin. So you can apply a little bit of your Copaiba wherever the area of concern is, okay? Again, think of all of the things that you might be struggling with when it comes to your skin. So many different things, you guys, even just dry skin, but you know, think about all of the issues that arise because of skin. Copaiba is really supportive to all those issues. So applying topically wherever that issue is, applying it in your hair care products is another really great option. So maybe add a little bit of Copaiba to your shampoo or your conditioner bottle, or think about, you know, when you put a little bit of product in your hand before you blow dry your hair, or however you do your hair, you can apply a little bit of Copaiba. Maybe add a little rosemary and cedarwood, as those are highly supportive to your hair as well. And you can just rub that in and get all those benefits on your scalp and on your head and your hair as well. Okay, so another way that you can use your Copaiba is if you have a little one who struggles with wetting the bed. This is going to be something that you're just going to have to kind of try and see if this works for you, but a lot of people have had success applying to the lower abdomen of the child, and you know, because it is so highly supportive to every single body system that we have, you know, lack of bladder control in small children is super common, but we can use our oils to help in all of those areas. So again, recap, if you struggle with any type of body system issue, any type of inflammation within the body, reach for your Copaiba, you guys. Everybody should have Copaiba in their homes. It is an amazing essential oil. So there are your top uses for Copaiba. And next we will be learning all about coriander. Not one you hear that often, but it has some pretty cool top uses. So enjoy your day. Subscribe to this video if you found this helpful, and I will chat with you guys soon.